My short literature play, Jamie Vanessa Marquez, University Corporation of Caribe SECAR, June, age 2018, English 2. Teacher, Cesar Augusto Lara. My plan for tomorrow. Visit my lunch, accompany my husband to play soccer. My decoration, no trace tomorrow to have lunch. My plan for the next week. Travel San Antero, eat crust white rice, ride very crowd, good perfume, swim all mornings. My plan for 5 years. Study psychology, to have a baby, be happy at bakery, like in Medellin. My plan for 10 years. Administer my school, finish academical, play with my son, Tritus Bahamas, recreational education campaign. My plan for 20 years. Travel, take care of my parents and my lands, open foundation, share with my family, thank you, good. I am going to visit my lands tomorrow. I'm going to accompany my husband to play soccer tomorrow. I'm going to make decoration for university. I will unite train tomorrow. This time, tomorrow I will be having lunch. I will travel to San Antero next week to sit with my friend Geraldine. I will grab a rice with coconut and with drain juice or pineapple. Maybe I will have you just kid. I am going to fragrance next week. I will swim very mornings in sea. I will graduate from University of Bachelor of Science. I will have networking this school. I will do business with my sister and network marketing. I will go to be the to be fit. The next year, I will buy a house. I will study psychology at the university. I will have baby with my husband. I will be happy with my family. I will have pastry. I will line in Medellin. In the years, will be managing my own school. I will edit my academically this psychology degree. I will play with my son in the park and mall. I will try with my whole family to the Bahamas. I will do events, recreation, and education for children or limited resources. I will travel to many places to work. I am 20 years. I will to care of my parents and my flat. I 20 years will take care of my parents and my plans. In 20 years to inaugurated foundation for children and youth with opportunities. I will dedicate time of quality to my home and my family. I will be very grateful to God for so many blessings.